Good evening, everyone. Hopefully everyone had a good day today. We had some up movement, chopped a little bit lower throughout the day. You can see the bears really protected that 50-day moving average as we started to sell off on the S&P. We are still in oversold territory, so we could still see a little bit more bounce to take us out of this area. But we do have a little support at the 1209 area down over here, so that could help us bounce up a little bit higher. For a more detailed look at the market, check out Ryan's video that he did tonight. It's an excellent recap of where we're headed and different outlook. For our watch list, we have HMNY. This is a low float stock. It's like live, which has been running. It's been a low float stock. These things have been really pumping this week. This thing could go red to green. Make sure you keep it on your watch list, but take a small position because it's so low float, and don't get too crazy, and definitely just limit in. Don't set any buy stops. DHT looks like it could be putting in a bottom finally. We're looking at a bounce over this 76 cent range. Could take us up under here, under the 80-ish area. Good for a couple percent. Dexo's flagging here. It's been flagging for a while now. We might finally see it get to break out. It's got the 20-day moving average coming in under it. AUXL flagging, look for a break of the 19 area, which is about the 200-day moving average. KTOS is bouncing off the 20-day moving average. Look for it to take out that 50-day for a nice little pop. SWS has been strong, remain strong. Look for a takeout of this 730 area to push it to 52-week highs. CBUY is flagging, and look for a quick pop. It flagged here with a pop. Look for another one to happen. FCF is kind of messy, but still a good resistance area. Could take it to the 200-day moving average. LUV also bull flagging off of support. Look for a takeout of the 864 area for a nice run. VG looks like it might finally bottom. It's been oversold. It's got a lot of volume on this doji coming out. Look for a takeout of the highs to see if we could pop back up to the 20-day moving average. POZN still flagging. Look for a take of that 200-day. MERC's got a nice little base working here under the 610 area. It might get some movement off this 20-day and push it into the 50-day. SPRA is flagging on again on support. Look for a takeout of this 1120 area. OCZ still flagging over the 200-day moving average, still could pop. KFN, it's got a little bit of resistance going on here. We could see it pop over to the 200-day moving average. CMC, still looking for a short here, still could break down. SMSI, another low volume, but it's setting up nicely on this 20-day moving average. These bottom bounces could be very strong. We could see it take it into the 50-day moving average at least. AFFY, still looking for a short here. Tried to short it the other day, but just couldn't get any movement on this white candle here. Made a little bit, but it just wouldn't go anywhere. RVSN, looks like it might be pulling back to the 200-day moving average. You could pull back another day, and if it taps it, then that'd be a good place to buy with a stop right under, maybe a stop right under this 740 level, so it doesn't start filling the gap. It might just start running. Look for maybe a takeout of that 863 level so it can get a nice bounce. THQI looks like it might finally bounce off. It's very oversold here. We might start seeing a drying up of selling. Look for a takeout. Look for a takeout of that 80 cent level, 81 cent level. And SQNS also could fill the gap. Might need a couple more days to really work off some more a basing pattern, but we could see it fill the gap. Definitely keep it on your watch list. Maybe not for tomorrow, maybe for the future. Hopefully this list helps you out tomorrow. It's been Friday. It's OPEX. Keep your trades tight. It's going to be crazy. It'll be choppy as always. Good luck, everyone.